So here is an article on Unreal Engine forum. It's about upcoming changes to Quixel related to Fab's launch in October. They say next things. Last year we announced that Quixel Megascans would eventually be moving to Fab, Epic's new digital marketplace. Our team is excited about the future, and we're committed to supporting our community in developing breathtaking projects and experiences. Ahead of Fab's launch in October, we wanted to share some details on all that's changing for you. What's changing when Fab launches in mid-October? Megascans will be available for purchase exclusively on Fab. When Fab launches, you won't get new additions to the Megascans library from Quixel.com 156 or Bridge. Instead, you will get those on Fab.com 254, and via Fab integrations in UE 5.3 and beyond, and UEFN. All Megascans content that you downloaded under a paid subscription will automatically appear in your Fab library, once you log in with the same Epic account that you use for Quixel. Any Megascans content that you got for free via Unreal Engine can be downloaded anew from Fab. All Megascans will be free until the end of 2024 under Fab's standard license. And so, let me tell you what Quixel Bridge is. How to install it and how to solve the problem with import. It is a storage of 3D assets and textures. Not so long ago this program was bought by Epic Games, which has its own free engine Unreal Engine. This engine is free for users, respectively. In it you can download assets from Quixel Bridge for free. There are many different videos on the network about how to install it. If in short, you first download and register there, after that download Bridge and log in through Unreal. You can use the library for free only in Unreal, but if we do not tell anyone. Then you can download other programs, for example, Blender. When you install Quixel Bridge, the program will offer you to select a 3D package, where you will work. You select a Blender. If suddenly you did not choose right away, nothing terrible, you can click in the export settings and here select the desired program. I chose Blender. There will be a button to install plugin. We install it. After that, we select the asset or texture we need, click download, it downloads, the button import becomes active. But if you click here, you will most likely have an error, like this, which you now see on the screen. As well as to solve, we go to the folder where you have Bridge installed. If you do not know where, you click settings and here it is indicated. I go here and I will not have this archive here. Here I have a plugin, so that we can import it into Blender. We need to click here, add the archive and make a zip archive. After that we go to the Blender, click here. As usual we install any other plugin, click install and select it because paths where it is quickly installed for you. After that you will have this error disappear. We select but we need an asset, click export and everything works. Next step is to fix importing the materials from Bridge to Blender 4.2. Firstly open your Blender and Bridge app together. There's a link of a code in description. Download and install it in Blender via Preferences tab. Once it is installed, close the Blender and then close the Bridge. Now open the Blender again and go to Import, hit Megascans Import Alembic Files. After that open Bridge and download your favorite model and export it. There you go. I hope this solves your problem. Don't miss a chance to make your own assets library while it's free. Thank you, bye.